In this video, we will do a quick overview of how to use the G-Shock from Casio. It's just a quick overview. I made plenty of tutorial about this watch, so just an idea to show you how to use your watch. So over here we got a dial. When there's nothing on the dial, this means that you are on the main page. The main page is this one, where you can see the second, the time, and the second again. Down here you got a little indicator. You see it is SNZ for snooze, alarm, and signal. Signal is the beep at every hour. Actually everything is disabled, so there's nothing that is displayed over there. It's just a check mark that goes on and off, just to say if it's enabled or not. If you want to adjust the time, the date, and everything from that page, and it's the same principle on every page, if you want to adjust something on that page, you press and hold the adjust button, and then you're able to do your modification. So now you can see I can choose the time zone, and if I want to choose, I can move from a data to another with those two buttons. As you can see, I move from a time zone to another, and I will return to New York City. When you're satisfied with that data, you press on the mode button, and then you pass to something else. See, actually, it's the DST that is blinking for daylight saving time, so I can set it to on or off with the start button. If I press mode, I have 24-hour mode or AM PM mode. Then I can set the second, the hour, the minute, the year, the month, and the day, and then it restart. No, the key, if you want to set it to mute or with sound. And there's also the light time. The light is that button that we will see a bit later. And then we restart. So if I want to go out of this, I will press on the adjust button, and then I'm out. There's a couple of other features. If you press the mode button, you see that now I fall under timer. Same thing again, you can adjust it here and then move the time with that. You can start the timer, you can stop the timer and reset the timer. See, start button, reset button. It's pretty obvious. When you press on the mode button, then you fall into world time, WT. So from here you're able to when you move here, you're able to select another time zone, and if you hold the reset button, you see it's swap. You can swap from a time zone to another. Then there's also the alarm. If you move here, you got the alarm 1, alarm 2, 3, 4. There's the snooze time, and there's the signal if you want to set it on or off, just right here. And finally, there's the stopwatch, which is the last option because there's a shortcut to access it. If you are on the main page, you just need to press the start button, and then it starts the stopwatch just right here. If you hit the reset button, you got the time that is freeze on the screen, but it keeps running under it. If I hit the reset button again, as you can see, it had continue. You can pause it like that and restart it with the start button. If you want to erase it, you need to pause it and then reset it. Hit the mode button again, and well, you fall back on the main page. There is that button right here, that is the light. So it's just a simple light. It's not the most efficient light, but well, it does what it have to do. And finally, there's an important feature. Sometimes you're not able to see properly a window because there is the end in front of it. If you want to get rid of the end in front of every window, press and hold the light button and press on the mode button, and the ends will move to the closest position where both of them are not in front of a screen, just like that. and then the next time you press on something in change mode, the ends will return to their place to display the time. So that's pretty much how a Casio G-Shock work. If you have any question, do not hesitate to ask in the comment or go to see the playlist that will be available in a couple of seconds. So I hope this video was helpful.